Wayne Bell for sauce. Service.
But you don't have to do that because they know you're here.
I'm gonna start the Italian bread.
Please.
I'll start the Italian bread.
Please.
A 6-inch.
Whatever you want. It's good.
Okay, I'll start pepper jack cheese first, and I'll take the chicken. I'll take the chicken. No, the other chicken. That's the other chicken, right?
This is the teriyaki chicken.
Yeah. Nope. Pasta.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
How many you show manners, son? I know you know them.
Alright, I'm gonna start spinach. And I'll start a little bit of pickles, onions, banana peppers, and sriracha, ranch. Oh, can you pour a little more sriracha? Alright, and I'll take ranch. And I'll take... What's that?
This one is Caesar.
What's that?
Caesar dressing?
Caesar dressing, yeah. Oh, yeah. I love Caesar.
Is that all for you?
Yeah, no. That'll be it. No drinking, no chips.
What are you going to say when she gives it to you?
Thank you.
Good job.
See, I made my own, Grandma. It's special.
Yeah, it's very special. Eat it at home, okay? It looks like it might be drippy. With all those sauces.
No, we can eat here.
No, we'll go. That way we can tell your mother what we're doing.
Okay, but don't worry, they'll see it. Yeah, can you help me get the nut gun?
Yes, definitely. We get organized. Excuse me. We're leaving, don't worry.
I'm gonna go take a look. One way. Let's see. New Nintendo Switch Captain Toad Treasure Toad. Featuring new continue betted on Super Mario Odyssey. Play together anytime. So what about the epic brand new return Toad's Treasure Island? And this type's different. Cool. Say bye-bye, Walmart. Bye-bye, Walmart.